Okay, it's the next part of the video of the KLF300, and so in the last episode I think I had the bike parked over here. Got it going, tried it this morning, thought I'll just to get it into this garage I've got to get up this ramp here, so it's a bit of a challenge. So I thought I'd try and somehow get the bike to go into gear, so I used one of those ratchet spanners that has the hook thing that tightens up. So I put it into gear and it stalled straight away because it wants to drive. For some reason the automatic clutch isn't slipping or whatever, so had to figure that one out. So what I ended up doing was jacking it up at the back, jack it up in the air, start it up, put it into gear, and then knock it off the jack. So off I went out the driveway here, and of course the front disc brakes are fucking locked up as well. There's for some reason they're jammed, so the front wheels were barely turning. Most of the time they were just skidding. So I managed to get out the driveway. It wouldn't turn, headed up over towards the gate, but I managed to get it to turn out onto the road. They sort of slipped a bit more as I went out on the road, turned around on the road and got back to here, and it just the front brakes hit had a couple of other ramps here, just ended up just digging a big hole at the back. It wouldn't go up because the wheels were just jammed too much. So anyway, so I rigged up a bloody trolley at the front, lift the front up, this trolley here, underneath it to lift this trolley here to lift it up underneath it, and then sat that box there with a heap of plumbing stuff on it to weigh it down. So that was the front and I dragged it up that ramp. Anyway, here it is in the shed now. So I've been trying to have a look at what the story is with the disc brake. I managed to get one of them off. I'll have a look later. I just sort of sprayed some RP7 in it to free it up a bit, and pulled the oil out of it, pulled the back plastic off, and I'm just getting into this gearbox to try and figure out what to do with the gear shifter selector. So I had to make sure that I had the right model. That was the tricky part. Because a lot of them have a spline that comes out here as an extra bit with another spline on it, and an arm that comes up here, and this one doesn't. This one finishes quite blind. So now I know which shifter I need to order. Also, when I opened it up, I was as I was pulling on the primary clutch up here, as I was pulling it off, it's this bloody all this movement. I thought, oh shit, it's got big end play, because the motor sort of had a bit of a clack in it. Then I found out this bloody ring here wasn't even tight. Look at it. It should be knocked. That should actually be punched with a brass punch in tight in there. So once you tighten that up, then all that play goes away. And it might be the reason why the clutches were not in, or the clutches weren't disengaging, or whatever you want to call it. And it wanted to drive all the time. As soon as you put in gear, bang, wheels wanted to drive, even at idle. So yeah, anyway, I'll get this secondary clutch off, and I'll pull this selector shaft out to be sure, and order the right one. Alright, that's it for this one. If you like this sort of shit, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and catch you in the next one.